Benefits of synthetic turf installations on residential properties. When considering landscaping options for your home, synthetic turf has become an increasingly popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. Whether it's for aesthetic appeal, practicality, or environmental considerations, synthetic turf offers numerous advantages over natural grass, especially in smaller areas like dog runs and shaded areas where natural turf grass will not thrive. Here's why synthetic turf could be the perfect addition to your property. All photos in this video are synthetic turf projects we have designed and installed for our clients. 1. Low maintenance and cost efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to install synthetic turf is the significant reduction in maintenance costs. Unlike natural grass, synthetic turf doesn't require regular mowing, fertilizing, watering, or reseeding. This means you can say goodbye to the expenses associated with lawn equipment, irrigation systems, and seasonal lawn care services. Over time, these savings can add up, making synthetic turf a cost-effective investment. Additionally, because synthetic turf remains green and lush all year round, you won't have to spend extra money on treatments to revive dead patches or combat pests. This saves money and reduces the time and effort needed to maintain a beautiful lawn. 2. Perfect for dog run areas. Pet owners often struggle with maintaining natural grass in dog run and backyard areas due to the wear and tear caused by their furry friends. Synthetic turf provides a durable, clean, pet-friendly surface that can withstand heavy use. It's resistant to digging and doesn't develop muddy patches after rain, ensuring that your pets stay cleaner and your home remains free of muddy paw prints. Moreover, synthetic turf is designed with excellent drainage capabilities, which helps to quickly eliminate pet urine and other liquids, reduce odors, and make cleanup easy. 3. Ideal for shady areas. Maintaining a healthy lawn in shaded areas can be challenging since natural grass requires ample sunlight to thrive. Synthetic turf, however, doesn't rely on sunlight, water, or soil nutrients, making it an ideal solution for areas under large trees, beside buildings, or in other low-light environments. It stays lush and vibrant regardless of the sunlight, providing a consistent green appearance throughout your yard. 4th, environmental benefits. While it may seem counterintuitive, synthetic turf can be environmentally friendly. Homeowners can significantly reduce water consumption by eliminating the need for constant watering, which is especially beneficial in drought-prone regions. Furthermore, reducing the use of fertilizers, pesticides, and lawn equipment helps decrease chemical runoff and carbon emissions, contributing to a healthier environment. 5th, year-round aesthetic appeal. Synthetic turf maintains its vibrant green color and uniform appearance throughout all seasons, regardless of weather conditions. This means no more worrying about brown spots, patchy areas, or seasonal changes affecting the look of your lawn. Your outdoor space will always look well-manicured and inviting, enhancing your home's curb appeal. Final thoughts. Synthetic turf installations offer numerous benefits for residential properties, from cost savings and low maintenance to durability and aesthetic consistency. Whether you want to create a pet-friendly dog run, improve shaded areas where traditional grass will not grow, or reduce your lawn care workload, synthetic turf provides a practical, attractive, and environmentally conscious solution. Consider making the switch and enjoy a beautiful, hassle-free lawn year-round. Gibbs Landscape Company is an award-winning, family-owned business with over 50 years of experience in high-quality landscape design, installation, and maintenance. Serving residential and commercial clients in the Atlanta area, we specialize in creating stunning outdoor spaces from outdoor kitchens and hardscapes to custom landscape design. Our team of experts brings passion, creativity, and professionalism to every project, ensuring beautiful and sustainable landscapes. Contact us today.